2023 Toyota Corolla oil light, maintenance light reset. What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light if you got your oil change done. Now we're going to be using these buttons right here, these arrows, left, right, up, down. The OK button, that's kind of the enter button, and then maybe the back button. So you could turn your car on or just have accessories on. I'm going to go ahead and get closer to the instrument cluster so we can get a better view. I'm also just going to go ahead and start my car so the instrument cluster doesn't keep going to different menus. Okay, it's all done in the center screen, so go ahead and push back or left and right to kind of get to these menus where you could kind of go around. We're going to go over to the gear on the right, so push the left and right until you go to the gear right here. Sorry about the autofocus. And then you're going to go down past these options and go to vehicle settings, push and hold OK. It'll take you here, and then we'll go to scheduled maintenance right here, push and hold OK. Now it'll say reset data, and we're going to go to yes, hit yes, push and hold OK. Sometimes you have to push it and hold it a couple times. Yes. There we go, reset complete, and then that's it. And then you can go back to the main screen by hitting the return button, and yep, there you go.